finding the right insurance agent and the best insurance company can be a daunting task. From the first-time home buyer to the new driver looking to get out on the road, there are many things to consider. First off, does your prospective agent seem to get a feel for your needs? Is he or she personable and truly seem to have your best interest at heart? I know that I will be the first agent to tell a customer to look for the best price as a starting point. With our economy the way it is, this is very important for a majority of people. With auto insurance mandatory in every state, it's one of those things that people don't want to have to pay, so their primary objective is to save money. I have many clients on Social Security with a fixed income, so I understand that they don't have spare money left over in their account every month. Limits of liability. Now we all know that no one wants to shell out hundreds of dollars a month for their auto insurance. With that in mind, you need to keep on the table the amount of assets you have when it comes to the limits of liability and property damage you keep on your auto policy. Let's say you're young, you are in college and haven't got much money to your name. You don't need to have the same limits of liability as somebody that owns a home and has money in a savings account or owns a business. California requires only $15,000 per person in injury and $30,000 total payout for injured parties to the people in the other vehicle, which can add up fast. For not much more per month, you can go with $25,000 per person and $50,000 total payout. Property damage requirements in the state of California are minimum of $5,000 for property damage. To me, that doesn't seem like much. A good tap to the rear end of a Mercedes or Porsche will easily go over $5,000, of which you will be liable for everything over if that is the maximum amount you are carrying. It doesn't hurt to ask your prospective agent to go over these coverages with you and see what best fits your needs. Homeowners insurance. In today's home buying market, it is still a buyer's market. With that comes insuring your investment. Where I live in California, it is a very tough market for home buyers. Due to massive wildfires in the previous years, many companies have either pulled out of California altogether or are no longer writing new business for new customers. So for anyone looking to purchase a home, it's important to find out beforehand if it is insurance, and if it is, what are the potential rates. What to keep in mind when getting a quote for your homeowner's insurance. Be sure that you are getting a quote for what it would cost to replace your home should there be a catastrophic loss, not for what you purchased it for. New home builds have to comply with all new ordinances and laws per county and state requirements. For California, that would mean that if your 1978 home burned down, it would now be required to be rebuilt with stucco or hardboard siding, boxed eaves, shatter-resistant windows, boxed eaves and sprinklers throughout the home. And if your home is on a well, you would be required to install a water-holding tank. All of this would be very costly if you had to pay out of pocket. So if you need to consult a contractor to get the going rate of cost per square foot to build or rebuild the home. About me. I have been in insurance industry since 1999. I began my career at my father's office filing papers, answering phones and eventually getting to know the clients. I have worked with nearly all of the major insurance companies in the U.S. and I currently work as an independent agent in the foothills of Northern California. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.